On April 10, 1901, an unusual experiment was conducted in Dorchester, Massachusetts. Dr. Duncan McDougall was determined to prove that the human soul had mass and was therefore measurable. He conducted this experiment on 6 dying patients who were placed on specially made Fairbanks weight scales just prior to death. McDougall noted that the beam end dropped with an audible stroke, hitting against the lower limiting arm and remaining there with no rebound. The loss was ascertained to be 3/4 of an ounce. Everything was taken into account, from the air in the lungs to bodily fluids, but it still couldn't be explained. The experiment continued on the next patient with similar results. Dr. McDougall felt he was onto something extraordinary. According to McDougall, the instant life ceased, the opposite scale pan fell with a suddenness that was astonishing, as if something had been suddenly lifted from the body. After making all the usual deductions for physical loss of weight, it was discovered there was still a full ounce unaccounted for. Following the experiment, McDougall concluded that the human soul weighed 21 grams. All 5 doctors took their own measurements and compared results. Not all patients lost the same weight, but they did lose something. He maintained his weight immediately upon death. Only after a minute passed did he finally lose an ounce. McDougall also conducted similar experiments on 15 dogs and found no change in weight, concluding that perhaps only humans have souls. He even tried photographing the soul as it left the body. Although McDougall passed away in 1920 and further experiments were never conducted, his bold attempts to measure the soul leave us pondering.